Alright guys, let's solve this Olympiad equation quickly. It says 6x cubed minus 48 is equal to 0. Now, to solve this question, a lot of people would quickly rush and just factor out 6. So they have x cubed minus 8 to be equal to 0. You strike out 6 on both sides, so they will have x cubed is equal to 8 and x is equal to 2. And I agree with this answer, but this is just one of the answers. Okay, this equation has the greatest power of x here to be 3. Hence, you have to find 3 answers in this equation. So what we'll simply do from here, we are going to do something. So we'll write that x cubed minus 8 is equal to 0. And that's reducing this equation by 6, right? So then, the next thing to do now is to say that this same x cubed will now be subtracting 2 cubed, alright? Okay, so x cubed minus 2 cubed is now equal to 0. And recall the difference of two cubes says that if you have a cubed minus b cubed is equal to, okay, a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now we're going to do that here now. So this will become equal to, okay, so a becomes x, so we have x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared, which is 4. Okay, and from here you can clearly see that this is equal to 0. So you can clearly see that x from here is equal to 2, because if you equate this into 0, it gives you 2. And remember that when the product of two things are equal to 0, is either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. And so we're going to equate this second expression to be equal to 0. So we have x squared plus, okay, 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Alright, from here we can use the formula of quadratic equation to solve this equation using minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a to be equal to x. Okay, now a is 1, b is 2, and c is 4. Okay, so from here you can see that we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times a, which is 4 times 1, 4 times 4 is 16 over 2a, which is 2 times 1, which is 2, and this is x. Okay, now minus 4 minus 16 is equal to minus 12. Okay, so we have this again like this. Now from here we can choose to simplify this. So root 12 is equal to, root of negative 12 is equal to root of negative 1 times root of 12. Root of negative 1 is I, so you can denote it with I, okay? And root of 12 is 2 root 3. Okay, so 2 root 3i or 2i root 3 is equal to root 12. So we replace root 12 with 2i root 3. So I have minus 2 plus or minus 2i root 3 all over 2 becomes what x is. Okay, now dividing each term by 2, we have minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 is equal to x, or we have that x is equal to 2. Hence, the 3 answers for x are x is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 or minus 1 minus I root 3 or x equals 2. Thanks for watching.